In this very quick video guide, I want to show you how you can use Kickstarter on your smartphone. So how to download and install this platform also on your smartphone from Google Play Store. And you can use it both on your smartphone and on the web. So I will click here on the Play Store and search for Kickstarter. And here we can see the actual app. So for those who doesn't already know what Kickstarter is, it's a app where you can found or you can support a project, or you can also create your own project and search for supporters and backers. They are called backers. So if you want to know more about this, you can just see here on the app. And on the presentation you have some also feedbacks. Okay, I've already downloaded Kickstarter, so I'm going to just open it with the open button here, and there it is. So basically what I see in the website, I can see here, and I can see which projects are more popular, and I can, for example, see this one which has 769 backers, so people that are supporting. And I will click here, and if I want to back this project too, I can click here on back this project. So I can explore all the different projects here in the smartphone, and I can also go right here at the top, and I've already created a user, and I have a profile and I can support projects when I am registered. So if you want to do that, you have to register first. And here I have also a lot of categories where I can search for a project that I may be interested in founding and supporting. And also I can create my own project. So if I go here at the top and I go to my dashboard, I can see that this is my project, which I have launched a few days ago. And so basically I'm doing video course. I want to do a video course on ArchiCAD, which is a software for architecture. So for those of you who are interested, you can back me up with this, and you get all the information on the website. So the app is really nice to use. It's really simple. You have only this hamburger menu right here on the top left that you can use, and you have everything here: messages, settings, profile, dashboard for your projects, and you can look for other projects. So everything is pretty nice and minimal, really easy to use. And the website, we already did a guide on this. So it's basically, it has two ways to explore. Sorry, I went too far. So you can either explore right here from the top left, or you can open up and create a project, and you do all the steps to create your project. Sorry, this is in Italian, but it's pretty simple. You will figure out by yourself. You have these two ways to use Kickstarter. So whether you are just a supporter or a creator, I suggest you give it a really good look. And if you have a project, you can try to sponsor your project here. This is what I am sponsoring right now. You have to put all the information inside. You have to put a short video and a story of who you are, what you do in real life, and why also people should support you, what there will be their rewards, and well, that's basically it. All the risks and the budget, the plans for your project, and so on. So it's not difficult at all. The whole process takes a couple of days. Well, the project has to be approved by the team before it's published. Once it's published, you can start to get money by your supporters, and hopefully you will reach your budget and can create your project. So if you know any architect, you can sponsor our project here. Please spread the word, share, leave comments and subscribe to the channel, because we will do more guides about different apps and software, and also we will produce video courses in our YouTube channel, which is JBTube. We already made some video courses and video guides in English, so if you go here in playlists and you go the first section here, these are all English video courses that you can check. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.